Hey there, sorry about the ugly band-aid because I had a small accident in the kitchen, but by the time of recording this, it's already healed up so you won't see it again. Thanks. Hey there everyone, this is the third video on my channel and in this one I will be upgrading this Fujitsu Esprimo small form factor with a hard disk upgrade and a Linux installation. It is a really ancient PC and it is sadly very weak. It has only 2 cores, a Pentium 2 core processor and a 4 GB DDR2 memory. So for Windows 10 it's going to be a bit tight, but we will see. So now I'm opening the PC case to have access to the hard disk. Like I said, it has only 2 memory sticks of 4 GB DDR2. So sadly, I won't be upgrading the memory as I have no DDR2 sticks. If it was DDR3, yes, I have even DDR4, but DDR2 is sadly very old at this point. I'm pulling up the front panel, and this is the place where the HDD tray is going to go. So our HDD hard disk is a Seagate 250 GB. It has 26 bad sectors, but it is okay as long as you don't put any important data on it. It will be fine. The hard disk is in its own tray, so it won't be moving, and the tray we will put inside the PC case. After putting the tray in its place, we are going to screw the hard disk tray to the PC case, of course. I'm struggling a tiny bit because the screw is not that good. Checking if the tray is moving too much. After a tiny bit of tightening, it should be okay. Yeah, the hard disk is not going anywhere. So I'm hooking up the SATA data cable first, and the other side is connected to the motherboard. And then the SATA power cable coming directly from the power supply. I'm closing the front panel so that we can close up the PC. I'm not going to clean the thermal paste because this PC will be donated locally on a website, and I will be giving it to either a student or a high school student, and maybe a family with really low income, as it is too weak, so you can only do like basic tasks like some text processing or web surfing. It's time to close the PC case, and then we will get a screen to continue with the Zorin Lite installation. Now that we have our screen, we can connect the VGA cable to the PC and get a signal out and continue with the Linux operating system installation. So this is the USB key I use. It has the Zorin Lite installation files. It says 16, but it is Zorin Lite 17. So it's just one version newer operating system. It's really aimed for PCs that are weak and don't have too much memory, but still you get proper text editing software, Firefox by default. We will go with try or install. It is doing a file check, and I will be fast forwarding this section and the installation section too. We're almost there. We have the desktop, so it is going to ask us if you want to try or install. We will select the language first, French of course, and install Zorin operating system. The keyboard layout, and then we have the option to choose updates and other software drivers. Delete the disk and install Zorin, because the disk is already empty. So I'm going to click on install now, and it is saying us there will be some changes to the disk. We select our time zone, we select a username. I'm just going to go with Fujitsu, and I click on open the session automatically. It is forcing us to choose a password. I'm just going to choose 1234. The installation has started. I'm gonna speed up this process because we all know it's just the same thing. It is telling us it's moving the files, copying the files, creating binaries, installing Linux kernel. If you have a laptop that is really old and really weak, Zorin OS Lite, it's a good solid option. It might be struggling a tiny bit with default network options or settings. The installation is finished. We need to restart the PC. It is telling us to remove the USB key and then press enter. Yep. The PC restarts. We have the Zorin logo. We have the mouse cursor. And there we go. We have arrived to the desktop. It is giving us a small tour of the operating system. It says welcome. I'm going to click on start the visit. Open the menu, the software, and there we have it. We have a functional PC that we bought for €1. Like I said, this PC will be donated locally to someone with really low income. It has 2 cores and 2 threads, only 4GB DDR2 memory and 250GB hard disk, which is more than enough for text and web surfing. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and take care.